Now we'll talk about arguments that we pass to the functions. We have two types of arguments. Okay, one is mutable, and other one is immutable. We'll talk about that. By the way, if we pass an argument to the functions, we can pass by object reference. Okay, or we can, and this concept is known as pass by assignment. The other one is that you can pass a copy of the variable. Either you can pass the object reference or you can pass the object as a copy. So if you're passing copy, that means that you are passing immutable argument. If you're passing object reference, that is mutable argument. So for example, I have a variable a, and that is 10. And if I say I have a function, def f function, and I pass this value a to this one, and I say print a. Okay, and before printing, I just want to modify the value a by 2, so it should be 20. And then I say that's it, and I say okay, I want to call the function f with a value with a value 10. I'm passing the 10 value, this value of a, I'm passing to the function. And then I say, okay, print the a here outside as well. So print a. Now, it will take the value a is equal to 10. It will run this function, call this function. By the way, I can put it outside, doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter, so just to make it clear for you guys. So we have a function f, okay? And then I have a variable a. This is my function f. It takes one variable. And then I have a variable a, and I'm calling the function with a variable a. So it will go inside, it will do the multiplication, it will print it, okay? And then I will print this value. So let's try that. So I'm expecting that it will print 20 here, okay? And it will pass the copy of the variable, so it is immutable. It will not change. The original will not change. It will be the copy of the original one. I'll change the variable here. I'll change the value to 20. I'll print 20. And when I go outside, it should print 10. It should not, any changes I made in the function should not be visible outside. Okay. So let's run it. And if you see that, I had a value 10, I passed the value 10 to this method, it goes inside, it changed the value of the a to 20. It print 20, but outside, when it comes outside, the 20 is not visible, 20 is hidden. It was a copy, the original is still intact, original is not changed, original was a is equal to 10, and that is what I'm getting here, okay? That is the example of immutable argument. Now, if I make it a mutable, for example, this is list is a mutable variable. So it can grow, it can shrink, it can change. And see, if I'm passing this one and I say, okay, I'll say this is the 0 element, and this is also a 0 element. Now you can see that. If I pass the value a, so basically I'm passing the reference of this a. I'm passing the reference of this a. So I'm passing original actually. So it will change the value. It will save the value. It will print 20. And when it come outside, it will print the value 20, okay? Not the 10, like in the previous example. Did you see that? So that is what we call, we are passing the argument by reference. And that means mutable argument. Now, I don't want to pass the variable as a mutable, especially the list one, okay? What I will do, I'll put a colon. That's it. So what it will do, now it will pass a copy of a. If you see here, I'm changing the value of a. The value will be changed. So this A is different A as compared to this A. So let's see. I'm expecting that I should print 20 here. Okay, I should print 20 here. And I should be printing 20 here as well because I passed the original. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. I should print 20 here and I should print 10 here because I'm passing a copy of the variable. So let's run it. And if you see, so when I take the variable, I take the copy of that A, I pass A, and then 20 got here, printed 20, and then when I come outside, the original value is still intact. And I got 20, I got 10, like this one. So that's it for our function argument. Okay.